Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Lester from Cannabis Wiki. Today, I have a little bit of surprise for you guys. We have from NACPT Pharma College, a couple of ladies that have some valuable information that they need to tell you.
So we have here the president and founder of the North American College of Pharmaceutical Technology, Ms. Rathi Param.
Rathi, tell us a little bit about what you do for the college.
Actually, NACPT Pharma College is by nature is a pharmaceutical college under the Ministry of Training, Colleges and University, and we are government approved training program provider, and we have been offering a lot of pharmaceutical postgraduate diploma program for Canadian students as well as international students for the last 10 years. And recently we have been offering a lot of cannabis related training. I would say anywhere from production up to quality. And we are the proud, cannabis first diploma provider throughout Canada, and we are the only diploma provider as of now, and we are getting a lot of inquiries and a lot of students from other countries and different provinces as well, and we are offering A to Z training in cannabis industry, and our program is always full, and we are actually helping students to get into cannabis industry and progress in the industry to develop their careers, and as well as we are helping any new starter, if they want to learn about the industry and do the right thing in terms of complying with the Canadian regulation, we teach them the right thing so that they can do the right thing and they can develop their business in the right track.
Okay,
yes.
So it's a lot more information that you're given for a startup company?
Of course, yeah. We are doing a lot of training for the licensed producers, and as well as we are helping the Canadian graduates, high school as well as university graduates, to get into this particular field as well. Because not too many people are aware of this industry, and everyone needs, literally, they need education and and training in this space. And we have qualified industrial expert coming from cannabis and pharmaceutical industry, and we provide the training as per the ministry standard.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now, is this geared for both medicinal and recreational?
Definitely, we are focusing a lot on medical cannabis because by nature we are a pharmaceutical institution.
Right.
But we do provide training for the cannabis, recreational aspect as well.
Okay.
And we have supply chain, we have clinical research program, we have extraction program, and we also offer some leading important training for licensed producers in terms of quality assurance, because everyone, they need the quality assurance person. So we do provide training, like a short-term training, 5-day trainings for the quality assurance personnel, and as well as we have 8 months diploma program in QA/QC as well. And apart from that, we do have master grower training program, and we also have head of security as well as a responsible person. So these credentials are required by Health Canada as well, and we do provide this credential across Canada.
So is there prerequisites to be able to get into the course?
There are some prerequisites for certain courses. For an example, for the quality related training, people, they need to have some sort of science background in chemistry or biology, or they need to have healthcare background. But when it's come to growing aspect, anyone can do it, as long as they are free from any criminal record and more than 18 years old. Anyone can grow it.
Excellent.
Why we need to restrict them from growing?
Right, because it's information of what we're trying to provide.
Exactly. And then there are people, they are growing, cannabis more than decades, but they don't have proper credential and they don't know the right way of doing it. So we are teaching them the right way of doing it, and we are providing appropriate credential so they can fulfill, both needs.
Right,
Yeah.
That's excellent. So where would people be able to find you guys for social media?
We are on Facebook, and we are on LinkedIn as well. We have Instagram as well, and if somebody wants to find out our information in terms of on-site training as well as webinars, we offer online program as well. They can find us at www.nacptpharmacollege.com.
Excellent. Well, guys, you've heard it. That's a lot of information. a very valuable package what these ladies are offering at the college. If you missed out on any of the information, definitely tune into www.cannabis.wiki. You'll be able to see the ladies, you'll be able to find out a lot more about the college and the services that they're providing. Ladies, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You may want to hear from her because she came from US as an international student to do this training.
Excellent, excellent. Well, step on in.
All right.
We'll switch it up a little bit.
Okay.
So please, tell us a little bit more.
Well, I am so proud and grateful and privileged to have been accepted to the Cannabis Quality Assurance Quality Control Diploma program that Bharti is instructing. And
Where you came from?
And I drove all the way from Seattle, Washington,
Wow.
in my Honda Element with my 2 little dogs through that snowstorm that y'all had the last week of January. But when I got here, I was super excited because my intention is to get into the industry that's about to be legalized, the infused products, which is the extracts,
Right.
the edibles, and the pharmaceuticals. I mean, and the cosmetics. And because my background is in the food industry, I worked for Domino's, I worked for Pepsi in food manufacturing, and I'm getting ahead of it before the United States legalizes it. Because right now in the United States, they require you to have, in the States, a chemist or a pharmacist. But as soon as it gets legal, you need the quality assurance people.
Right.
Because that's, and I want to tell you, there was something that Bharti did, the invention, we're learning in our program, in the quality assurance program, we actually get to hands-on work with the HPLC system, which is the high performance liquid chromatography. We actually work on it. We actually are going to use the gas chromatography, and these are things that the employers are requiring. And these tests, they test for the cannabinoids, the terpenes, and the pesticides is the gas chromatography. We actually get to hands-on work with it. In other colleges, you don't get to do that. You don't get to touch the equipment.
Right.
She is letting us work on it hands-on, and we just started.
So you guys are getting a better experience in order to further yourself through the education with this program.
Absolutely, absolutely.
As a student, what is the experience? That's more valuable.
Excuse me. So when I got here, I was just really excited to find out how to write, technical writing,
Right.
the procedures, the SOPs, the GMPs, actually the GPPs, which is the good production practices. And now we're learning good laboratory practices, and we also learn good agricultural collection practices. And it's just, what's really exciting is that every day that we come to class, our teachers even say to us, they teach at other universities, but when they come here at night, it's just such an energy because the class is so excited about learning everything, and I'm excited, and I feel privileged and grateful to have been accepted.
I can feel your excitement.
Yeah, thank you.
I totally can. So it just seems like because the college is providing a more hands-on experience, that you feel more enriched moving forward into this.
Yeah, super confident. Every time I get a certification, I put it on my LinkedIn account. And my LinkedIn contacts have increased. And in fact, someone from the United States in Missouri reached out to me because they saw in LinkedIn that I had this qualification and I was from the US. I'm getting a cannabis quality assurance, quality control, and that's what she wanted.
Excellent, excellent. Both of you, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I've got teacher and student, so actual factual proof of what this program is offering. Again, guys, lots of information. Tune back in, www.cannabis.wiki, to find out more about the college, the program, everything that they're offering. All right, so right now this is Lester signing off. Everybody have a very good day. Ladies, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.
And you know
really
what?
appreciate it.
I forgot to mention, I'm also a Marine Corps veteran. I'm a Marine Corps, former Marine Corps officer, but of course they say once a Marine, always a Marine. So nothing was going to stop me from getting here to be in this program.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, there you have it. Have a great day and always stay tuned.
Thank you.
Very welcome.